When choosing a washing machine, consider your space. The majority of washing machines are 27 inches wide, but manufacturers are making them wider to increase capacity. And don't forget about the dryer. So measure the height, width, and depth of the space where you want to put your washer. Then use these guidelines. For width, add an extra inch for space between the washer and the dryer. Add several inches of depth space for door clearance, dryer vents, and hookups. If you tend to save up your laundry for one big load or for large households with lots of laundry, consider a larger capacity. Anything bigger than 5 cubic feet should provide excellent capacity. We're talking about 25 to 28 pounds of laundry per load. And even if you don't always need all that capacity, it will allow you to wash a comforter or other jumbo item instead of lugging it to the laundromat. 3 to 4 cubic feet will wash about 14 to 18 pounds of laundry per load, and compact washers offer less than 3 cubic feet and will wash about 8 to 12 pounds of laundry per load. There are several types of washing machines, and each has its pros and cons. Top loaders with agitators are the traditional type of washing machine that's been around for years. They do cost less than high-efficiency washers, but in general, our tests find most don't clean as well, and they don't extract as much water, which means your dryer will have to run longer and use more energy. And agitators tend to be rougher on clothes compared to high-efficiency machines. HE top loaders look like traditional top-loading washing machines without the agitator. However, they offer better performance while using less water and energy. They spin faster so they can extract more water, and they can hold more laundry than traditional top loaders. But they do cost more than traditional top loaders, and some are prone to tangling up clothes. In Consumer Reports tests, front loaders tackle tough stains, and some tend to be gentler on clothes than traditional top loaders. They also extract the most water, making your dryer's job easier. Another plus, front loaders can be stacked with dryers to save floor space in small areas. But they do have some drawbacks. In general, front loaders are more expensive and have longer cycle times, 65 to 120 minutes. Mold can also be an issue with front loaders, and they're prone to transmitting vibrations, which we do check for and note in our ratings. Another thing to keep in mind, these machines sit low to the ground, so you'll have to bend over to load them. You can add a pedestal, but that will cost you more. If you're short on space, there are also laundry centers that have a washer and dryer in one unit, as well as combination machines that wash and dry in one drum. These come in handy if you only have enough space for one large appliance, but you want the capacity of a regular-sized washer. Compact washing machines can be expensive for their size, usually 24 inches wide or less, so they're really only worth it if you can't fit a larger washer. Features like automatic load sensing and automatic temperature control help keep your energy and water use in check, and they come standard on many of today's models. A time-save cycle cuts about 15 to 20 minutes off of cycles, and our tests find most provide comparable cleaning to the normal cycle, if you aren't dealing with really tough stains. An extra rinse cycle is helpful if you're sensitive to detergent or fabric softener residues. Steam settings are being touted for better cleaning performance and even for reducing allergens. Consumer Reports doesn't test for allergen removal, but turning on the steam option did not improve washing performance in our tests. Now that you've got the basics, become a member and check out our specific washing machine ratings based on our in-depth expert testing. We're a nonprofit and we pay for all of the items we test. Thanks for your support.